Poland is a democratic republic nation where the president is the head of the state while the prime minister is the head of the government. The government consists of the Council of Ministers with the prime minister at its head. The members are chosen from majority parties or coalitions but also include exceptions in some cases. Along with the president, the government constitute the executive power through a multi-party system and is formally announced by the president. The government must also pass a motion of confidence within 2 weeks of being announced in the lower house of the parliament, also known as Sejm. The government of Poland follows a semi-presidential rule where the president is the head of the state. The Sejm and the Senate are the two chambers of the parliament where legislative power is vested. 5 parties represent the parliament with the elections occurring once every 4 years. The president is elected every 5 years and also commands the armed forces. He also has the power to reject laws passed by the parliament unless overridden by a majority of 3/5. The president can also dissolve the parliament under certain conditions. The judicial system contains the constitutional tribunal that can override parliamentary laws that violate freedom and rights defined in the Polish constitution. Apart from this, the judicial system does not have much role to play in the politics of Poland. The executive branch. Apart from the parliament chambers, the executive branch of Polish politics is heavily vested in the president, the head of the state. The president is also the supreme commander of the armed forces and the representative of the Republic of Poland. The president shall also appoint the general staff and the commanders of the armed forces of Poland. The president also has many other roles that include appointing the prime minister, introducing legislations, appointing judges, exercising pardon, among other similar roles. The legislative branch. The Polish legislative branch has mainly 2 chambers of the parliament, the Sejm and the Senate. Elected every 4 years, the lower house of the parliament, also known as Sejm, has 460 members representing multiple constituencies. This is similar to most political party systems followed around the world. There is also a 5% threshold introduced in the lower house for minorities. The Senate has 100 members and are also elected for a 4-year term. Together, they form the National Assembly and convene together on specific occasions and roles. Poland also has well-equipped national security whose aim is to integrate into NATO and other Western defense, political and economic institutions through reorganizations and restructuring. The supreme commander of the armed forces is the President of the Republic of Poland. They are branched into land, air, navy and special forces consisting of more than 100,000 active personnel. The Government Protection Bureau, BOR, takes care of anti-terrorism activities and providing security to VIP and other government officials. The politics in Poland are diverse and the administrative powers are divided into 16 provinces.